Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Before we begin, let's say short phrase together. Right. Okay, who feel absent today? Okay, today we are going to do something special. We are going to listen a story of very famous in English classic plays Pride and Prejudice, writing by Jane Austen. Okay, have you ever heard about this book before? Maybe from movie or series? Okay, don't worry if you haven't a story about love, misunderstanding, personal growth. Before we listen, give a little background. This is a story about the Bennet family in 19th century England. The mother, when her daughter married a rich man, one of the daughters, Elizabeth, is very smart and strong. She is meet a rich man, Mr. Darcy the names, and things complicated. Okay. Hand out a worksheet with the following question. First, what is the name problem of Bennet family? Second, who are two main characters? Last, what are they like? And then, now, please listen carefully. This time, focus on the answer the question on your work. Try to get name, place, and what happened between the characters.
Pride and Prejudice is a classic novel by Jane Austen published in 1813. Set in England, the story depicts the struggle on the Bennet family and they face social pressure to marry well in a society that places great importance on status, wealth, and reputation. The Bennet family consists of a married couple and 5 daughters. Mrs. Bennet, the mother, is very ambitious to marry her daughter to wealthy men for their future. Her hope rises when Mr. Bingley, a wealthy young man, moves into the nearby mansion Netherfield Park. Elizabeth Bennet and her sister Jane are kept within a system the honor, wealth, and title above all. At a party, Mr. Bingley shows interest in the oldest daughter, Jane, but his friend, Mr. Darcy, acts good and seems arrogant, especially to Elizabeth, the Bennet's second daughter. When Jane gets sick, Elizabeth visits her sister at Netherfield. There, she gets to know Mr. Darcy better. Even though Darcy starts to like Elizabeth, his proud attitude still gets in the way. Not long after, Mr. Collins, a distant cousin of Mr. Bennet and the heir to Longbourn, comes and proposes on Elizabeth, but he turns him down. Meanwhile, Elizabeth meets Mr. Wickham, a soldier who seems to hold a grudge against Darcy. Wickham claims that Darcy took away his inheritance. Darcy finally proposed to Elizabeth. However, the way he looked down on the Bennet family's background offended her, so she rejected him. She also accused Darcy of ruining Jane and Bingley's relationship and treating Wickham badly. The next day, Darcy sent a letter to explain himself. He defended his action and revealed the truth about Wickham, including his attempt to seduce Darcy's teenage sister. The letter opened Elizabeth's eyes and slowly changed the way she saw Darcy. During a visit to Pemberley, Darcy's home, Elizabeth began to see a different side of him. But then, her younger sister Lydia ran away with Wickham, bringing shame to the Bennet family. Quickly, Darcy stepped in to help resolve the situation and protect Elizabeth's family's reputation. This event brought Elizabeth and Darcy back together, this time with mutual understanding and without prejudice. Pride and Prejudice is a story about love, self-respect, and the importance of judging a person by their heart and character, not by status or first impression.
Great job the listening. Let's discuss the answer together. I want to ask, first, who is Mr. Bennet? And second, why doesn't Elizabeth reject Mr. Darcy a proposal? And last, what changed Elizabeth's opinion about Mr. Darcy? What do you think about Mr. Darcy character? Would you give someone like that? And now I want to choose 3 students for answer. Yes. First, Julie, please answer. What is Mr. Barnett? Who is Mr. Barnett? Okay. Yes, right then. Okay. Second, Elsa, please. Why doesn't Elizabeth rejects Darcy proposal? Yes, great. And last question, I want to choose Cinta. The question, what changed Elizabeth's opinion about Mr. Darcy? Good job. And now, well done everyone. Today you listen to H class story. The teacher used not to judge people too quick. Fred and Bridget sorrow as this first impression can be wrong. And through character matter most. And next class we'll explore another English story. And see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.